You are watching the trial run of our 200mm screw diameter rubber and plastic insulation sheet extrusion line. The extruder features a high torque gearbox and a wear-resistant 200mm screw for excellent plasticization and stable material flow. The melt then enters the oven section at multi-zone temperature. Control ensures uniform curing across the full board width. Though the end of the line is not shown here, you can see the material exiting the oven with a smooth, even surface, ready for downstream processing. Compared to smaller screw lines, this 200mm system increases output by over 30%, while saving energy thanks to efficient drives and insulated barrel design. The entire line is PLC controlled, with an easy, true-use HMI recipe can be stored and recalled with one charge. Multiple safety interlocks are included. We provide full service from installation to training. This trial run was successful. You are welcome to visit our factory for a live demonstration.